Question 11. Write an expression that gives all solutions to the following equation. Cosine x minus sine x equals radical 2. First thing we would probably want is to rewrite this equation in terms of just one function, either cosine or sine. If we use Pythagorean identities, then we can rewrite cosine square x as 1 minus sine square x. We just need to change the cosine x to cosine square x. And for that, we need to get cosine x by itself on one side. So let's move sine x to the other side by adding it to both sides. Cosine x is equal radical 2 plus sine x. Now we can square both sides. And on the left side, we will have cosine square x that we can substitute with 1 minus sine square x. And on the right side, I'm going to use the square of a sum rule. A plus b squared is equal the first term squared plus twice the product of the first and the second term plus the second term squared. The first term is radical 2. The second term is sine x. So radical 2 squared is 2 plus twice the product of the first term and the second term plus the second term squared, sine squared x. Now let's substitute cosine square x with 1 minus sine square x and copy down the right side. Now we want to move all the terms to one of the sides to have 0 on the other side. Since on the left side we have only 2 terms, I'm going to move the terms from the left side to the right side. Now we have 0 on the left, and on the right, I'm going to arrange the terms in decreasing order to sine square x plus 2 radical 2 sine x plus 1. Now our equation is in the form of a quadratic equation with coefficients a equal 2, b equal 2 times radical 2, and coefficient c is equal 1. I'm going to use quadratic formula x equal negative b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a to solve for the unknown, which in this case x identifies the sine x. X is equal to negative 2 radical 2 plus or minus square root of b squared. Let me do the multiplication here on the side. 2 radical 2 squared is equal to 4 times radical 2 squared is 2 is equal to 8 minus 4 times a is 2 times c is 1 divided by 2 times a, which is equal to. Let's simplify the expression. Under the square root we have 8 minus 8, which is 0. Square root of 0 is 0. Negative 2 radical 2 divided by 4. I can reduce both numerator and denominator by 2. The answer is negative radical 2 over 2. So now let's find an angle whose reference angle is radical 2 over 2 and sine is negative. So we will use the reference angle to find the coterminal angles. The reference angle is 45 degrees or pi over 4. If you want to write the answer in radians, and I'm going to transfer this part to the next page. So here's what we found. Sine x is equal negative radical 2 over 2. The reference angle x is equal to pi over 4. Let's solve it in radians. I'm drawing a coordinate plane to help us see where the sine is negative. Well, the sine is negative when y-axis is negative. Therefore, in the third quadrant and fourth quadrant. reference angle pi over 4 in the third quadrant will give us coterminal angle of pi plus pi over 4 or 5 pi over 4. And reference angle in the fourth quadrant will give us coterminal angle of 2 pi minus pi over 4 or 7 pi over 4. So we have these two solutions. But remember, we squared both sides. So now we need to check both solutions to make sure that they both work. Let's substitute it in the original equation. First, I'm going to check 5 pi over 4. Cosine of 5 pi over 4 minus sine of 5 pi over 4 should equal to radical 2. Cosine of 5 pi over 4 is equal negative radical 2 over 2 minus sine of 5 pi over 4 is also negative radical 2 over 2. Negative and negative will give us positive, and negative radical 2 over 2 plus radical 2 over 2 is equal to 0. 0 is not equal to radical 2. So this solution will not work. Now let's check the other one, 7 pi over 4. Cosine of 7 pi over 4 minus sine of 7 pi over 4 is equal to radical 2. Cosine of 7 pi over 4 is radical 2 over 2 minus sine of 7 pi over 4 is negative radical 2 over 2 should equal to radical 2. Let's simplify the left side. Negative and negative will give us positive. Radical 2 plus radical 2 over 2 is 2 radical 2 over 2. Reduce the 2's. So the left side is radical 2 and the right side is radical 2. Therefore, we'll view the solution and we need to write an expression that gives all solution to this equation. So we write it as 7 pi over 4 plus 2 pi k.